In this video, I will show you how to change the screen size on Toshiba Smart TV. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So let's get started. To be able to adjust the screen size of a Toshiba TV, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and turn on your TV first. So your office Toshiba LCD or LED television is handy for presenting training materials and presentations to a larger audience and interfaces with your computer. In addition to providing broadcast and cable or satellite programming, your television also enables you to adjust its screen width to change how a video or presentation looks: widescreen, full screen, normal, dot by dot, and high definition settings. So in this video, we will show you how you can adjust it. So first, adjusting via pick size control. So what you'll need to do is to go ahead and turn on your Toshiba TV and then press the pick size button on the television remote control. The picture size menu opens, and then under that, press the down arrow button on the remote control to select the screen width you want. So it can be full, theater wide 1, theater wide 2, native 4:3, or dot by dot. The settings provide a broad range of widths and aspect ratios depending on the content you are viewing. So see your device manual for details. Another thing you can do to resolve the problem is to go ahead and adjust via picture control. So turn on your Toshiba TV and then press the down arrow button and then scroll to theater settings. Press the left arrow button to select the screen width you want, and then scroll with the down arrow button to done to highlight it, and press the enter button on the remote control to confirm the screen width change. Now after that, you need to press the exit key to exit the menu system. And that is basically how you can change the screen size on Toshiba Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.